Anyone can make this. It is a simple salad that you can spread onto bread. 5 eggs, which we have already boiled, we simply mash with a fork. Now we grate the cheese. We put the cheese right in there with the eggs. Now it's time for the garlic. Chop it into small pieces. The garlic also goes into the salad. Add mayonnaise. Mix. Here is what we get in the end. Such a nice looking little salad. Let's take our beautiful baguette. Our wonderful sharp little knife. Just a slice. And do it like this. That's it. The salad is ready. All that's left is to try it. Enjoy your meal.